Hey guys, and welcome to this video. 90 plus 90 divided by 3. Now 90 plus 90 gives us 180. Now 180 divided by 3 gives us 60. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then exponent, and then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. According to this rule, we have one division here that we have to solve it first. And as we know, division has higher priority than this addition. So 90 divided by 3 gives us 30. Now we have 90 plus 30. And the final answer is 90 plus 30, that is 120. The final answer is 120. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.